Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're doing Dollar Tree home hacks. You know how people will freeze an entire water bottle, but the problem with that is it takes forever for it to melt and you can't drink out of it. So for this hack, what you're gonna do is you're going to fill up a water bottle about half the way full, turn it on its side, and you're gonna put that in your freezer. So last night I put this water bottle in my freezer. It was half full. I turned it on its side, and as you can see, half of the water bottle is full. Now I'm gonna fill up the other side with water. Now the cool thing is I can immediately drink the water. It's nice and cold. This would be great for lunch boxes, going on trips, and your ice is just going to continue to melt throughout the day. So this next hack came about because I have two keys that are similar, and I tried putting labels on the front of them to say this is what this one's for, this is what this one's for, but after time using them, the labels have come off, so I never know which one to use. So for this hack, I'm going to use two different colors of nail polish. So each of my keys is going to have its own nail polish color. That way I know exactly which key is for what. So next we have a candle hack. So if you have a candle that tunnels a lot, meaning that wick goes down in the middle, so here's a hack to fix that problem. You're gonna need to take some aluminum foil, and while your candle is lit, you're gonna wrap some aluminum foil around the edge of your candles and fold it over the top just to trap the heat inside. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, and once you take it off, your candle is going to be fixed. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Go down in the comments and comment the word of the day, which is candle. Okay, so candle update. I decided to add more aluminum foil around the edges so that it trapped in more heat. So I think that is the key. You wanna make sure you have about an inch over the top to really trap in your heat. Dollar Tree sells zip ties, and these are great for organizing all of those cords that we have in our life. At our office, we have several cords whenever we're live streaming, and they just get so tangly. So we decided to use these zip ties to try to organize them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap one of the zip ties around your cords horizontally. Then you're gonna come in with another zip tie, put that in vertically. This is gonna keep your cords nice and organized, and they're not gonna tangle up. These little sponge holders at Dollar Tree have so many uses for them. You can put them in your fridge to hold like tiny little sauce packets. You can also hold your cheese. It just makes another organizer either on your door or inside your fridge. You can also use them in your bathroom to store smaller items. You can use them as a phone holder as well. Did you guys know that I have a second channel? It's called Liz Fenwick Daily. I post daily DIYs. I also live stream over there. I'll put the link down in the description box, but if you want to just go to the channel, just go to YouTube and search Liz Fenwick Daily. It'll pop right up. I'd love for you to subscribe and come watch over on that channel. This hack is great for if you want your house to smell really good, but maybe you're not cooking something that smells really good and you're having people over, or you just want it to smell good for you. You need an oven-safe bowl, or you can use a mug, anything that'll work in the oven. And then you want to use vanilla extract. I'm going to put 2 capfuls of the vanilla extract into my bowl. You're gonna bake it in the oven for 300 degrees for about an hour before you have people coming over, and it's gonna smell so good. You can grab this vanilla extract at Dollar Tree. Here's a really inexpensive way to clean your baseboards. So you wanna pick up a Dollar Tree broom. Now this actually comes in 2 pieces. If you buy this part and the base, it's gonna be $2.50. You can also get other bases for your broom as well. And the other thing you're going to need to grab is this Dollar Tree white towel. I'm gonna take the towel, wrap it around my broom, and I'll secure it with a rubber band. Next, you can use the broom to just easily clean your baseboards. If you want to add cleaner, you can do that as well. When you're done, all you have to do is throw this towel in the washing machine, and it's a really easy way to get your baseboards clean and super inexpensive. If you love home hack videos, consider subscribing to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. I love buying this yellow popcorn at Dollar Tree. Here's a hack to pop up your popcorn without any oil. So I'm gonna be using the Popco popper. This is a silicone popper that stores really compact. You can open it up. At the bottom, I'm going to put in my yellow popcorn. I'm gonna cover it with the lid. Then you just pop it in the microwave for 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't have any burnt popcorn. I didn't have to use any oil, and it worked great. So for only $1.25, you can grab this shower caddy at Dollar Tree. This is gonna make a great mail and key organizer for your kitchen. So I'm gonna bend each of the shelves up so they're at a 45-degree angle. This is gonna be great for storing mail or any papers that you wanna store in here. You can hang it on anything that's magnetic, like your fridge, or you could do it on your washer and dryer. I love these little magnetic hooks. I bought them in a pack off of Amazon. They work so well, and they hold quite a bit of weight. I'm gonna hang this up on my fridge. I can store any mail that comes in, as well as keys or my AirPods. Now, if your shower caddy kind of wobbles around, you can grab these at Dollar Tree as well. They're just the little clips with the magnets on the back, and then I'm gonna put those on the edges. Let me know which of these home hacks you might try down in the comments, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.